Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Roma and I really hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I am going to create this makeup look right here that I am wearing on my face. Since colleges have already opened now and offices are also going to open, so this is the makeup look that you can wear for your office or for your college. And I know you guys are going to rock this look better than me. Now this is a very neutral kind of makeup for your everyday. आपके फेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ फ्लैशी सा कुछ बहुत ही चमकीला सा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, बट एट द सेम टाइम दिस मेकअप लुक मेक्स यू लुक वेरी प्रेजेंटेबल एंड वेरी वेल ग्रूम्ड पर्सन कि आप अपने अपने ऊपर कितना ध्यान देते हो, लाइक आपकी सारी चीज़ें कितनी परफेक्टली प्रेजेंटेबल हैं एट द सेम टाइम. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look right here, continue watching this video till the end. And without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. Alright guys, let's begin with prepping our skin for the makeup. So I'm going to use my regular Pond's ka Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Now this comes with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which both we know is very good for our skin, for prepping our skin. It has this gel kind of texture, so you won't feel that you have applied anything on your face. It is just very light on your face. Now after moisturization, I am going to quickly fill in my pores, using this Insight का 3-in-1 silicone based primer है ये. इसका texture ऐसा है, it's a silicone based primer and I am just going to apply it on my T-zone first. So I am just pressing it into my skin, this primer into my T-zone to fill in any pores that I have. So yeah, next product will be my Lakme का ये Lumi cream. It is a highlighter plus moisturizer. So this is how it is. It is like moisturizer में ही highlighter है थोड़ा सा. I'll just blend it a little for you so you guys can clearly see. So can you guys see it? It gives a very ऐसा sheen सा subtle सा glow दे देता है आपको. And it's not much. But I feel everyday look के लिए, if you are trying to look presentable and look neutral with makeup, so I think this is the best product to go for. Now I'm going to just apply it all over. Now I'm going to quickly conceal my face, थोड़ा सा under eye area and all those areas where my face needs a little bit of extra attention. जहाँ भी थोड़े से pigmentation है, जहाँ मुझे थोड़ा extra coverage चाहिए, उसके लिए I'm just going to use this Insight का मास्टर कवरेज कंसीलर है. इट्स अ वेरी गुड कंसीलर, बहुत सारे शेड्स में भी आता है, सो आई एम श्योर यू विल फाइंड अ ट्रू मैच फॉर योरसेल्फ. Okay guys, now I have blended my concealer. Now to pack in my concealer, I am going to use this Insight का flawless matte finish loose powder है. I'm going to use this brush. उसमें थोड़ा सा ऐसा product लिया, just dusting off the excess. And थोड़ा सा जहाँ भी हमने लगाया था सब जगह. Now after packing in my concealer, I'm just going to do my eyebrows. So for that I have this spoolie brush, ऐसा करके होता है. I'm just going to comb my eyebrows in the upward direction first. Now I have this Blue Heaven का True Brow Eyebrow Definer. It comes ऐसे angled shape का होता है ये, इसके अंदर का product you can see. It comes ऐसे angled shape में है. Now I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows. Yes, eyebrows are done. Now for my eyes, I'm going to give it a very neutral look. So I'm just taking ऐसा brown type का shade, this one right here. I'm just going to pick it up on my finger ऐसे. I'm just going to apply it all over. Blend it well. Just to highlight my eyes a little. That's it. This is how my eyes look now. Now I'm going to do the same for my other eyes as well. And that's it for my eyes. This is what makes my eyes look a little properly defined, थोड़ा structured दिखता है, and that's all I'm going to do for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use a kajal for my lower waterline. So this is from Maybelline Drama Gel. This is Maybelline Drama Gel in the shade black. It's actually an eyeliner, but I use it as a kajal. So I am done with the kajal guys. This is how I have applied my kajal. थोड़ा सा thick and I start from my outer corner और inner corner में पूरा end तक नहीं लगाती हूँ, उसके थोड़ा पहले तक ही लगाती हूँ. This is how I like it. You just apply as you like it. For my blushes, I am going to use this Lakme 925 lipstick here. This is in the shade Brick Blast. I'm just going to apply a little. And blend it. So that's it with the blush, guys. You know, this is a sun-kissed blush look when I'm going for a neutral no makeup look. So this is how I like to wear my blush, sun-kissed baby look, and that's it. Now for my lips, I'm going to use this Insight ka, Mega Crayon lipstick, this one. This is in the shade Returning Favors, shade number 21. I'll just swatch it once for you guys to see how it looks. So this is the color. I have already tried it and I know it is, smudge proof, transfer proof, and this is how it looks. I think it's pretty good for any Indian tone. किसी भी Indian skin tone पे बहुत ही सुंदर दिखेगा. Let me quickly apply it and come back. So this is how the lipstick looks. Now I am going to apply mascara on my eyes. So I am going to use this Mars ka Fabulash mascara. And trust me guys, this is just so good mascara, like super good mascara. This has been my current favorite. I'm totally obsessed with this. So it does volumizing, at the same time it does lengthening, at the same time it does not let your eyelashes stick together. ये सबको बहुत separate अलग अलग रखता है, and it does like, it has everything that you need from your mascara, and it has this creamy based texture. I'll show you इसका wand कैसा दिखता है. So this is how its wand is, and as you can see it has very creamy texture. So I'm just going to take off the excess product and I'm going to apply my mascara. That's it guys, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I absolutely loved creating this video for you, and this is my absolute favorite everyday makeup look. So मैं तो कभी भी बाहर जाना होता है, especially if I'm going to my office, so I love to put on this makeup. So if you are also the kind of person who likes to look presentable but with minimal makeup look, थोड़ा सा neutral, थोड़ा सा nude makeup look, so I think this is the one that fits the requirement. आप ज़रूर इसको try कीजिए and let me know how did it turn out for you guys. And if you guys liked my video, consider subscribing to my channel and hit like button and comment on the video to let me know what did you like and how did it work for you guys. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself and your loved ones, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.